Hey everyone, it's Michelle True and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of my birthday presents actually from my husband. They're two Funko Pops from the Disney collection, and that would be the Disney Halloween Spooky Mickey Mouse and the Disney Halloween Witchy Minnie Mouse. Now, we have been collecting Funkos for a very long time. We have over 100 Funko Pops from Disney, Marvel, Stranger Things, and we love all of the collectibles. But these two are by far one of my favorites because I love Halloween and I love Disney. So I'm going to unbox the Mickey Mouse first. So this is the Disney Halloween Spooky Mickey Mouse. We usually keep our Funko Pops in their original packaging unless we really like them, then we'll take them out. As you can see on my bookshelf behind me, we have a few bigger ones that we have out of the box. So here's the Mickey Mouse. So here he is out of his box. He is wearing an orange cape with orange shoes, and he also has a really cute bow tie. It's a jack-o'-lantern with bat wings. Now, I love the colors. I love black, and of course, again, like I said, I love Halloween, so I think this is a great piece to have, especially if you like to collect Funko Pops. They are $10.99 each, and I believe you might be able to find them on Funko. I'm not too sure, but he is super cute. Now I'm going to unbox the Witchy Minnie Mouse. So here is the Disney Halloween Witchy Minnie Mouse. Let's go ahead and take her out of the box. Now, they are part of just a series of two. It would have been cute if they had like the whole Mickey Mouse Club. And there she is. But so I was saying, yes, it would have been cool if they had Goofy and Donald and Daisy and of course Pluto. Can't forget Pluto. All right. So here's Minnie Mouse out of the box. She's on a stand because she is actually flying on her broomstick. Her broomstick has the orange bow, and she has her orange shoes and the orange bow on her gray witch hat. One detail I like about this is her cape. As you can see, because she's flying in the air, it's flowing right behind her. This item is also $10.99. I'm not too sure if you can find it at Funko, but I did receive it as a birthday present, so I can possibly find a link for these two and post it down below so you can find them. So here's Minnie and Mickey. That's it for my show today. If you guys would like me to showcase anything, just leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll definitely try my best to find the item. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.